Hi everyone, I'm PK. Thank you for watching my video. I will be preparing a simple chicken rice today. By the way, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to click the red subscribe button. Subscribe and stay tuned. So this other ingredient I'll be using is enough for 4 people. Okay, first of all you clean out your shallots and the gingers, and you have to smash them, blend them, grind them, whatever you call it. And right after that, put some salt on the chicken and fry your shallots and ginger on top of it evenly throughout the chicken. Heat the fat for about 20 minutes. Once again, please don't subscribe my channel. Okay, then you wash your rice. How much of water? How much of rice? This is basic. Then you add in a little bit of ginger sauce, ginger water, and the chicken stock. Before that, and then you have a pandan leaf. Pandan leaf is for fragrance, so it's optional. Then put the chicken on top of the white plastic thingy, which come with the rice cooker. Then the ginger and shallot just put on top of that. Cover it up, cook your rice. It will be ready in 20 minutes. Take out the chicken, take out the pandan leaf. There will be some shallot and ginger on top of the rice. Mix them around, it will be so nice. Okay, then you can serve your rice. It's really great, trust me. Serve your chicken rice with some sesame oil in ginger and soy sauce, chili sauce and cucumber. Once again, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.